Ooh, candy!
I want more! Hey, that's my candy!
Sorry!
We were hungry. That's it! You two need to learn your lesson.
Huh? No hands!
I got 2 hands. Let's eat.
How can I eat one with no hands? No, my cupcake!
I'm gonna eat another one. Ooh, Congratulations, Lily! You get the point for eating the most cupcake! Yay! Which means for round 2, you get to spin the wheel. Ooh, I wonder what I'll get. Woo!
I guess it's my turn. Oh.
You got no hands again. All right, here's your food. Ooh, I love chicken nuggets.
Oh, these will be easy to eat without my hands. It's my turn to eat.
Awesome job, you guys. You both get points for this round.
Yeah!
This round, we're doing a quick rope race. Without using your hands, the first one to finish wins. Ready? Go! Yes, I win! Congratulations, Lily. Now you get to pick how many hands you can use. Obviously 2. All right, that leaves Max with only 2 cards to pick from.
Oh, at least I got one hand.
All right, here comes some food.
Oh, Hubba Bubba! Yes, I love bubble gums.
Stop right there. You can only use 1 hand, remember?
Okay.
This is the better way to eat it. This round is so boring. Max, I challenge you to a bubble blowing contest.
You're on. Winner gets the other person's point.
Okay.
No, my gum!
That'll be easy to beat. I won! Oh, nice! You get 2 points, Lily. Yes! Get ready. It's time to pick your cards. No, I got no hands.
Yes, I got 2 hands!
Are you guys ready for your food?
Yeah!
All right, here it comes. Wow, wax candy.
This is gonna be so easy. Now to drink them.
How do I eat this with no hands? This is so hard. Wow, looks like Max finished all his candy. Sorry, you don't get a point this round. For this round, you guys are gonna play rock, paper, scissors. Max, you're going down.
Oh, I'm totally winning. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Yes!
Awesome. How many hands do you want to use for this round, Max?
I'll use 1 hand.
Well, Lily, looks like you can either end up with no hands or 2 hands. Choose wisely. Yes! 2 hands! All right, here comes your food. Ooh, I wonder what's inside. What do you guys think it is? Let us know in the comments down below. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done. Thank you. Now let's see what's under the lid. Ooh, burgers.
I love burgers.
Not so fast. You guys have 1 minute to eat all your burgers.
1 minute.
Ready?
Oh, Lily's eating so fast. I need to do something. Lily, is that Mia the superstar?
Where?
Time to spice things up.
I don't see Mia anywhere.
Oh, I guess you missed her.
That's so spicy.
Gotta keep eating.
Time's up. Stop eating. Let's see who ate the most of their food.
What? How did Lily still eat more than me?
Maybe you just eat too slow, Max.
Good job, Lily. You get a point. Sorry, Max. Better luck next time. New round. Max, go ahead and spin the wheel.
Oh, I hope I get 2 hands. Oh, yes.
Oh, I hope I at least get 1 hand.
Okay, enjoy your drinks.
Ooh.
How am I supposed to even drink this? Oh, I can't do it.
This is gonna be the easiest round. Time to drink.
Oh, I can't open it. Maybe Max will help me. Hey, Max, can you help me open this?
What? No way. This point is mine.
What? Max, you're so mean.
Well, since Lily couldn't get her drink open, looks like Max gets the win.
Yes.
Time for a no reaction challenge. But first, if you like watching challenge videos, like our video down below. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done. Thank you. Okay, Max, you go first.
Okay. It's so sour.
Oh, you lose, Max. Looks like Lily gets to pick.
I'll choose 2 hands.
There's only 2 cards to pick from. Okay, Max.
Oh, this is better than no hands.
Time for your food.
Yes, this is my favorite candy. Time to dip these. Yum!
I don't really like the lollipops. I'm just gonna eat the powder.
Oh, Max didn't eat his lollipops. He doesn't mind if I take one.
Great job! Both Max and Lily get points for this round. Okay, you guys, pick your cards for this round.
Hey, let go of my card.
No way! I grabbed it first! I got the card. Oh, what?
Any card's better than no hand. Yeah, 2 hands.
Are you guys ready for your food?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go. Let's do this.
Oh, why does it look spicy?
Max, I bet I could eat mine faster than you.
You're on. Go. Spicy.
What is this? Yay! I win!
Once again, Lily wins. Yeah. Time to see what you guys get this round.
At least it's 1 hand.
I got 2 hands!
I hope you guys like chocolate, because chocolate bars are this round.
Just chocolate?
Boring.
I know how to make it more interesting. Perfect!
Nerds on chocolate? No way. M&M's. Now this is the perfect chocolate bar.
Wow, those do look better. Well, you guys both get points. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, final round. Pick your cards for the last time.
Oh, 2 hands again.
I could do this.
I hope you guys are ready for a sour surprise.
Oh no, toxic waste! Oh, here I go. So sour, I can't eat that.
Oh, I hope mine's not that sour. It's so sour. I can't lose. Well, if you guys like challenges like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. You got 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done. Thank you. Oh, I hope I got a point this round.
Oh, Max gets the point for this round. Sorry.
Wait, so who won?
Who do you guys think won? Comment down below. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3,